Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy to see you here today. My name is Anna, and I feel wonderful. The sun is shining, and I have a big smile on my face. How are you today? I hope you are feeling very happy and very positive.
Hello, Anna, and hello to all our friends. I am Tom, and I am very happy too. Today is a beautiful day. I feel a lot of energy because we have a very fun topic. When I think about this topic, I feel like dancing. It is a very special day for many people.
You are right, Tom. Today we are talking about a birthday party. Everyone loves birthdays. A birthday is a day to celebrate life. It is a day for friends and family. I love birthdays because they are full of joy and colors. Do you like birthdays, Tom?
Oh yes, I love birthdays. I love the cake and I love the music. But before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel. If you subscribe, you can learn English with us every day. Also, please give this video a like. Your like helps us a lot.
Thank you, Tom. Yes, please subscribe and comment. We love to read your comments. Now, let us imagine the party. Today is the birthday of a good friend. The house is ready. There are many decorations. Tom, what do you see when you enter the party?
I see many colors, Anna. I see balloons. Balloons are big and round. They are red, blue, yellow, and green. I love the balloons because they move with the air. There are also banners on the walls. The banners say Happy Birthday in big letters.
The balloons are beautiful. I like the balloons that fly high. I also see lights, small lights that sparkle like stars. The house feels very warm and very friendly. I feel very excited when I see the decorations. It makes me want to celebrate.
I feel the same excitement. Everything looks so pretty. There is a big table in the center of the room. The table has a white cloth. On the table, there are many things to eat and drink, but the most important thing is not there yet. What is the most important thing, Anna?
The most important thing is the cake. A birthday party is not a party without a cake. I love cake. I like chocolate cake. Chocolate is sweet and brown and very delicious. Do you like chocolate cake, Tom, or do you prefer vanilla cake?
I love chocolate cake too, Anna. Chocolate is my favorite. The cake is big and tall. It has many layers. On top of the cake, there is cream. The cream is white and soft. It looks like a cloud. It makes me very hungry just looking at the cake.
The cake also has candles. Candles are small sticks of wax. We light the candles with fire. Each candle represents 1 year of life. If you are 20 years old, you have 20 candles. It is a very beautiful tradition. I love the light of the candles.
Yes, the candles are very special. When the lights in the room go out, the candles shine bright. Everyone stands around the cake. We look at the birthday person. We feel very happy for our friend. Then we start to sing the birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. We sing together. Singing makes the heart feel good. Even if you are a beginner in English, you can sing this song. It is very easy and very famous. After the song, the person makes a wish.
A wish is a secret dream. You close your eyes and you think about something good. Then you blow out the candles. Puff! All the smoke goes up. Everyone claps their hands. We say, Happy Birthday, very loud. It is a moment of great joy.
Then we cut the cake. We use a knife to make small pieces. Everyone gets a piece of cake on a small plate. I like my piece with a bit of extra chocolate. The cake is sweet and the friends are kind. This is a very good moment in the party.
After the cake, it's time for the gifts. Gifts are presents. They are things we give to the person we love. The gifts are inside boxes. The boxes have colorful paper and beautiful ribbons. I love opening gifts. It's like a surprise.
I love the surprise too, Tom. Sometimes the gift is a book. Sometimes it is clothes or a toy. The person opens the paper. Rip, rip, rip. That is the sound of the paper. Then they see the gift and their eyes grow big. They feel very thankful.
I like to give gifts that are useful, maybe a new pen or a nice shirt. When my friend is happy, I am happy too. It is better to give than to receive. Do you have a favorite gift you received, Anna?
Oh, yes. One time, a friend gave me a small plant. I love that plant. I look at it every day and I remember the party. Gifts are memories. They stay with us for a long time. They show that people care about us.
That is very true, Anna. Now the party is very active. We have eaten the cake and opened the gifts. Now we need some energy. We need music. Music is the soul of the party. Without music, the party is too quiet.
I agree. Let us turn on the music. I like music that is fast and happy. When the music starts, my feet start to move. I want to dance. Dancing is a great way to be happy. You don't need to be a good dancer. You just need to move.
I am not a good dancer, Anna, but I try. I move my arms and my legs. We dance with our friends. The music is loud, but it feels good. We laugh and we jump. The music makes the room feel full of life. It is a very positive feeling.
What kind of music do you like for a party, Tom? Do you like pop music or rock music?
I like pop music because it is easy to dance to. The rhythm is clear. 1, 2, 3, 4. We follow the rhythm. Everyone is smiling. No one is sad at a birthday party. We are all together, and that is what matters.
It is very important to be together. Sometimes we take photos. We say, cheese, and we take a picture with our phones. These photos are for the future. When we are old, we can look at the photos and say, that was a great birthday party.
Photos are like little pieces of time. I have many photos of my birthdays. I look at them and I see my friends. I see the big cake and the funny hats. Oh, I forgot the hats. Sometimes we wear paper hats at parties. They are very funny.
Yes, the hats. They are shaped like cones. They have many dots and stripes. When we wear the hats, we look a bit silly, but it's okay. It's a party. We can be silly and have fun. We feel like children again.
Being like a child is good sometimes. We forget about work and we forget about problems. We only think about the cake, the music, and the friends. It is a small step to happiness. Just one day of fun can make a whole week better.
You are very right, Tom. But now the party is coming to an end. It is late and the moon is in the sky. People are starting to say goodbye. We feel a little tired but very satisfied. Our hearts are full of good memories and our bellies are full of cake.
Yes, it is time to go home. We say goodbye to the birthday person. We say, thank you for the invitation. I had a wonderful time. We walk to the door. We feel calm and we feel happy. It was a perfect day.
And now we want to ask you a question. When is your birthday? Do you like big parties or small parties? Please tell us in the comments. We want to celebrate with you. Practice your English and write a small sentence.
Yes, please write to us. And if you liked this episode, don't forget to share it with a friend. Maybe it's your friend's birthday soon. You can send them this video as a small gift. It is a good way to practice together.
Thank you so much for being with us today on Mr. Fluent English Channel. We love having you here. Remember that learning English is a journey of small steps. Today, you learned words about parties, and that is fantastic.
I am very proud of all our listeners. You are doing a great job. Stay positive and keep practicing. The sun will shine again tomorrow, and we will have a new topic for you. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, friends. Have a beautiful day and a very happy birthday if today is your special day. See you soon!